Most health experts recommend trying to get 30 minutes of exercise a day on most days. And a new study shows getting more active could really pay off in protecting you from Alzheimer's disease. The Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin has more.
This research study involved veterans who are part of the VA medical system in Washington, D.C. And researchers found that those vets who were the most fit reduced their risk of Alzheimer's disease by a third. But even those who had some level of fitness saw benefits.
If you want to protect your brain as you get older, start moving more, or start moving, period.
The best thing you can do is going from nothing to walking. Walking to running, there is a cardiovascular benefit, but not as much as going from nothing to just simply walking around the block with friends, chatting.
Dr. Michael Kraft, medical director for the Wellness Center at Emory Decatur Hospital and a sports medicine physician, says there's a program called Exercise is Medicine that encourages primary care providers to prescribe exercise to patients trying to get healthier. And a new VA medical study finds that getting more physically fit may actually protect you against Alzheimer's disease as you age.
So really prevention for dementia is really what you need to look for. And that includes not only exercise, but sleeping well, eating well, having meaningful relationships. All these things have been shown to help prevent dementia as we get older.
VA researchers followed nearly 650,000 veterans, an average age of 61 for about 9 years, and none showed signs of Alzheimer's disease early in the study. Over time, the veterans took exercise treadmill tests to measure how well their body was carrying oxygen to their muscles and how well their muscles were absorbing that oxygen. They were divided into 5 groups based on how fit they were. And the researchers found that the vets with the highest fitness level were 33% less likely to develop Alzheimer's than those with the lowest level of fitness. But even some regular exercise lowered the risk of dementia.
The take-home point is don't just sit there. If you can get up and move around and be active, and if you have a sedentary job, every 45 minutes get up, 15 minutes, do a lap around.
Think small changes, Dr. Kraft says. Many of us got off track with our workouts during the pandemic, so he says work your way up to getting at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days.
But again, doing it safely, because we're not all 20 anymore. So if you can't go back and do the exercise that you were doing 2 years ago if you haven't done anything for 2 years. So really kind of, start with walking and then kind of ramp up as you go forward.
And this research is important because about 6 million Americans 65 and older have Alzheimer's disease, and right now there is no cure for it. So Dr. Kraft says doing what you can to prevent dementia and Alzheimer's disease is really critical, and the earlier you can start, the better. For your Fox Medical Team, I'm Beth Galvin.